Hi guys, welcome to CLM Academy. So today we're going to answer to another Python interview question. How do you write a Python code that checks if the year is a leap year or not? So first we need to know what are the rules for a year to be a leap year. So we have three layers of checks when it comes to check if a year is a leap year or not. So the first layer is that year should be perfectly divisible by 4. If you pass the first layer of checks, the second layer is that if that number is perfectly divided by 4, should not be perfectly divided by 100. If the number is perfectly divided by 100, then it's not a leap year. But even though that number is perfectly divided by 100 and it's also perfectly divided by 400, then it's a leap year. So that's the third layer of checks. First layer, the year should be divisible by 4. Second layer should not be divided by 100, and in case it's divided by 100, it must also be divisible by 400. Cool. So let's kick it off if you guys are ready. Year, I need the user to input their year. Please enter the year you would like to check. Please enter the year, enter the year you would like to check. But I want that year not to be a float number, it must be an integer number. So I need to put it to specify here, must be integer number. Cool. Let's go with the first check. If year is perfectly divided by 4 with 0 number remaining. So you can see here I'm using a modulus operator. We call it modulus operator or a remainder operator. So this one is not a division per se. It checks if after the division there's any number remaining. So what we're checking here, we should have a 0 number remaining after the division, the year being divided by 4. So in case the number is divided by 4, which means it's a leap year, we pass the rule. In case it's not divisible by 4, then it's not a leap year. So we say here else print, I'll use a F string here, year is not a leap year. And put be a bit dramatic here. Cool. Now I'll come back here. Second check. If that number passed the first rule divided by 4, must not be divisible by 100. Here is the number is divided by 100. Perfectly divided by 100, I mean. Then it's not a leap year. I will just pass for now. Then come back here. I will say else. So if it's not a leap year when it's perfectly divided by 100, so else it's a leap year. I'll use the F string here. Year is a leap year. I'll be a bit dramatic here. Happy. Third layer of checks. If that number, even though it's not, even though it's perfectly divisible by 100, which makes it not a leap year, but that year is perfectly also divided by 400, then it's a leap year. So if you're done checking, I will print the result here. We will say here using a F string, year is a leap year. Happy? I'll put here happy. Yeah, sorry. I will say here happy. So if it's not divisible by 100, then it's not a leap year, right? We need to say it here. Here is not a leap year. Let's be a bit sad here. There we go. So first check if the year is perfectly divisible by 4, it's a leap year. It passes the first rule, otherwise it's not a leap year. But if that number passes the first rule, then it comes out, it shows up that that number also perfectly divided by 100, then it's not a leap year. So if it's not a leap year, else it's a leap year, right? If it's not divided by 100, then it's a leap year. Then the third layer of checks, even though the number is divisible by 100, perfectly divisible by 100, which makes it not a leap year, but it's also perfectly divisible by 400, then it's a leap year. Happy? If not, then it's not a leap year. So there we go. Rules are clear. Let's check if the code is perfect, it's running. Let's enter a number here. I will put let's say year 12, just to be a bit funny. Year 12 is a leap year. Oh, I'm surprised year 12 was a leap year. Let's check 2024. 2024 is a leap year. Definitely you can check that was in the internet, you'll get the same results. What about 2000? 2000 was a leap year for sure. You can check that one in the internet. Let's check previous year, 2023. Nope, 2022 was not a leap year. But what about the next year, which is 2025? 2025 is not a leap year. Cool, the code is running and we have the results. Thanks so much for watching the video. Thanks for being here in CLM Academy. If you have any question, please put it in the comments. We'll be happy to answer to your question. And we have more videos like this answering to interview questions, especially Python, into our channel CLM Academy. Thanks.